Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. Amanya Sheikh Isa Yusufu omusomi w'eddwa wanne Bulenga ku Mwenda nga nkola ku nsonga zonna omuntu z'obeera nazo omuli amalogo, omuli endwadde ezeetebwa amajinni, ebisiraani n'ensonga z'emirimu n'amaka. Abanneetaaze nkubira ku 07 51 7 89 99 oba 07 63 16 2 31. Sheikh Isa Yusufu omusomi w'eddwa wanne Bulenga.
Our VVIPs, General Saleh is inviting you to a banquet. Kindly don't leave before it's done. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be back tomorrow for day 2. Omwezo tukyagenda maaso paka nkya abayimbi webali ekiro kyamba tugenda kuba disco. Okay. Abatuyambyeko ebitongole ebyenjawulo Uganda Bouncers Association nabo tubabuzizzaako mwebale nnyo. Banaye tukube kubo omukulu afulume, tukole kubo Saabalwanyi ave wano. Asiimye huyo kabawubireko bali Uganda build Uganda. Agenda ketwakolanga ka Museveni bayi tukateekemu awo. Ronald Mayinja. Our VVIPs, General Saleh is inviting you to a banquet. Kindly don't leave before it's done. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back tomorrow for day 2. Omwezi tukyagenda maaso paka nkya abayimbi we bali ekiro kyamba tugenda kuba disco. Okay. Abatuyambyeko ebitongole ebyenjawulo Uganda Bouncers Association nabo tubakuzizza omwebale nnyo. Banaye tukube kubo omukulu afulume, tukole kubo Saabalwanyi ave wano. Asiimye huyo kabamubireko bali Uganda build Uganda. Agenda ketwakolanga ka museveni bayi tukateekemu awo. Ronald Mayinja.
Obuzito 25 factories. I believe with the grace of God, we will do that. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank the organizers, my sister Harriet, for working so tirelessly, and all the rest of the teams. Thank you very much. Indeed, we have seen the projects with our eyes. My final point is, let us buy Uganda, build Uganda for job creation and socio-economic transformation. God bless all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I want to ask Uganda to embrace the sector of tourism. The third sector is ICT, science and technology innovation. Why am I telling you all these sectors? Because I know the vision bearer who has liberated our country and making our country stable, not only has liberated our economy, our country, but has made us to build self-sustaining, and we are on a steady progress, and we must reach the promised line of getting our economy to 500 billion. Your Excellency, I would like to take this opportunity in a very honest way and from the bottom of my heart to thank General Salim Saleh. I want to ask everyone to clap for him. General Salim Saleh listens to you. If he did not listen to you today, we will not be talking about Kabete Industrial Park. He listened to you, that's why today we're talking about 30 factories. But Your Excellency, I want to thank you that you have not only started Kapeka, but you have started other 9 factories. With industrialization alone, Mr. President, you have created over 1 million jobs. Ugandans, let's clap for the General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.